Hello guys, welcome to my coding sessions for the 5 most frequent vowel and consonants LeetCode questions. If you haven't watched my previous video, which is the explanation sessions for these questions, you are welcome to watch back to that video before you come here. So you can click the pop-up link at your right corners of your screens. Yeah, let us move to the coding sections. Back to the coding sections. First, I have to import the counters from the collections libraries. So from the collections, import the counter. So I have to create the functions s. So first I have to create the map. Use the counter functions. So this counter, it will help me to build the hash map instantly by using this input. Then it will count the total number of frequency for every letters. If you're still not understanding what is the hash map, you can refer back to my previous video. I have explaining what is the hash map. So I also have to create the list for the vowels and also the consonants. This will store the number of frequency of the characters. So now I have to loop every components inside the hash map. So for char and the count in the map items. So if the character is the vowel, which is the A, E, I, O, U, I have to append the frequency of that character inside the vowel list. Which is the count. Else, I just push it into the consonant list. Yeah, next, I have to return the maximum frequency inside the vowels and the consonant list. So it's a max vowels. It's a max vowels. And the default will be 0. If inside the vowel list does not have any value, it will return the 0. Max consonant, and also the default will be 0. So lastly, I have to return the sum of these two frequencies, which is the max vowel and the max consonants. Yeah, this is the full program for these questions. So the sample answers given inside the LeetCode is the 6. So let us check our codings is true or not. Yeah, the output is 6, which is the answer that we expected. Yeah, this is the end for my coding sections. If you like my video, please subscribe and also share it with your friends. See you guys on the next video. Bye bye.
You just gotta be